Let's find out. 27 different words which start with the letter G. This is how the alphabet G looks like in uppercase. And now let's look at the word list for the day. G for giraffe. Giraffe. G for gorilla. Gorilla. G for goat. Goat. G for guinea pig. Guinea pig. G for goose. Goose. G for goldfish. Goldfish. G for gecko. Gecko. G for grasshopper. Grasshopper. G for grass. Grass. G for garden. Garden. G for gnome. Gnome. G for grapes. Grapes. G for guava. Guava. G for grapefruit. Grapefruit. G for garlic. Garlic. G for gate. Gate. G for glue. Glue. G for glass. Glass. G for gloves. Gloves. G for goggles. Goggles. G for guitar. Guitar. G for gift. Gift. G for globe. Globe. G for gem. Gem. G for gold. Gold. G for golf. Golf. And lastly, G for gear. Gear. Yay! And that also brings us to the end of this lesson. Thank you so much for joining in today. And for more fun videos like this, be sure to check out the other videos on our channel. You can find the links available in the description box below. You did a great job today. See you again tomorrow. Bye-bye for now. And if you like our videos, be sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel, Peach Peanut Poppy.